welcome back, Sowson here. Who says you have to wait for the weekend to have a baked dinner? No, you can have a baked dinner any day of the week. Today I'm going to show you how to make oven-baked sausages and vegetables, all in 1 hour and one tray. Are you ready to get the hands dirty? Come on, let's start cooking. Here we go. I have 8 thick sausages, beautiful vegetables, 1 cooking tray. It'll take me 50 minutes to an hour to cook all this, 5 minutes to chop up the vegetables. No dishes. I'm laughing. Didn't take long at all. Like I said, 2 minutes, chopped it all up. Now we're going to put all the spices on and straight in the oven at 200. Okay, a little salt, pepper, paprika, mild paprika, and Cajun Peppers. Just a little bit of this, not too much because it is quite spicy and hot. I'm going to throw in a few garlic pieces in whole. That should kick off a few flavours. A drizzle of olive oil. Place the sausages on top. All finished. I've preheated my oven to 200. In 20 minutes, I'll check it, rotate my sausages back in the oven for another 20 minutes, and we're finished. And it's all finished. Look at that. Doesn't it look gorgeous? Love it. Guys, please like and subscribe, get on that notification button and get yourself started and have full access to all of my delicious recipes. Trust me, they're beautiful and they're gorgeous and they're tasty, and I'm hungry and I want to start eating. Until then guys, I have to go. Goodbye. Wow, it's really good. Bye.